down to maintain the minimum capacity. Okay, now refresh it, and then you'll see our launch template here. So version is 1 only, then some details related to that. Click OK, next, and then this is the, you can see some more information. Scroll down, VPC default is selected. You can say okay, in this subnet and this availability zone you want to create, and then this load balancing. For now, let's say we don't want the load balancer. Now scroll down and see what else. Okay, click next, then configure group size and scaling. Okay, desired capacity is 1 only. Let's say the group we need 1, and then the scaling part. So this here you can define, let's say the maximum capacity is 2 and the minimum as 1, or you can add it to say, let's say maximum is 3 and then minimum is 2. Okay, so let's say go to the policy of the maintenance policy, let's say no policy, or maybe